नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साष्टकार या कार्यावळीत तुमचं वेळकार. सद्याक आज बिहारांतली वेंचणुकेची पहिली फेज आज जावपाची आसा आनी आज तेजस्वी यादव सारके आनी बाकीचे हेवी वेट्स आतां रिंगणाक आसा आनी तांचे कितें जावपाचें म्हणजे तांचें भवितव्य आयच्या मतदानाचेर दिसून आसा. आनी मेन म्हणटा तें सद्याक आतां थंय BJPचे सरकार येतलें काय महागठबंधन फुडें पावतलें होय सद्याक एक चर्चेचो विशय आसा. सद्याक हे आमचे नॅशनल सिनारियो ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स आनी विजावीज ताजे परिणाम आमच्या गोंयच्या पॉलिटिक्साचेर कशे जावपाक शकतात ह्या विशयाचेर आज आमी चर्चा करपाक आपल्यात. ते पॉलिटिकल एनालिसीस एडवोकेट क्लियोफात आल्मेदा कुटिनो. दोतोर येवकार. दोतोर तुजे कडेन केन्नाय आमी चर्चा करतात न्ही तेन्ना अशें आसता की आमचे प्लेन आसता ते सारके गोंय साकून वयर सरता सगळे मागीर भोंवता आनी परत डायरेक्ट आपोआप गोंयाक लँड जाता. सो तशेंच म्हाका हें जाय आशिल्लें. पयलीं आमी सद्याक आतां आमच्या नॅशनल सिनारियोचेर आमी हें करया. मेन म्हणजे आतां आमच्या बिहाराक कितें जातलें अशें दिसता तुका?
चोय बिहारांत कितें जातलें तें म्हाका हांव तरी सांगपाक शकना. पूण तूं डेयली TV चोर पळयत जायत तुका दिसतलें NDA जिखता म्हणून.
हय.
आनीक some analysts say that they will cross 145 बी. पूण म्हाका तरी दिसता ते प्रमाणे इट विल बी अ क्लोज फायट.
ओके.
बट महागठबंधन could have done a better job. तेमी एट द टायम ऑफ सीट शेअरिंग तेंगे उलोवणी बरोबर जालें ना. एंड इट गेव a wrong impression to the people that these people can never come together.
Okay.
And finally, in politics, reality hardly matters.
Okay.
What matters is what perception you create.
Okay.
And what narrative is built.
Okay.
Certainly, one perception is created that these people are fighting among themselves now only.
Okay.
And that has not gone down well.
Okay.
But still I feel there is a fight in Bihar.
सर हाका लागून म्हाका एक दिसता की आतां जर पळयलें जाल्यार BJP स्ट्रॉंग आसा काय बाकीचे जे ओपोजिशन जे एकठांय येवपाक दे आर वीक. दॅट्स व्हाय BJP इज गेनिंग.
म्हाका दिसता प्रमाणे BJP नंबर इन बिहार cannot go up.
Okay.
It can only come down.
Okay.
Though they may even get the majority.
Okay.
That is a different issue. But if you see in Bihar and if you see all over the country, they are not there with 51% vote. They are there in power because somehow the other side is unable to harvest the unpopularity of the government.
Okay.
The other side is not in a position to take benefit of what wrongs the government is doing. I think this is because the principal national party is dependent upon allies all over the country.
Okay.
That is the main problem, that they are dependent on allies. They are not on their own. Say, except in places like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, they are on their own. Otherwise, they are dependent on the allies.
So, तेच म्हजो प्रश्न तसो आशिल्लो. BJP स्ट्रॉंग आसा काय बाकीच्यो पार्टी आतां वीक जातात काय म्हणून?
ना, see what happens is बाकीच्यो पार्टीनी डिसायड करपा पडटा आपले ए पावटी पावरा येवचें काय तेंगेली पार्टी स्ट्रॉंग करची. बिकॉज फायनली when you enter into an alliance, to get party building suffers. Now, kiti payle tha, build your party first or come to power first. This is the problem that the opposition is facing. But makne this parmane, the BJP is such a powerful election machinery that they should all come together to bring that power down first.
Okay.
At the cost of building their own parties. This is because of the misuse of the agencies which the party in power does when they are in power.
Okay.
And that is exactly what BJP is doing.
सो तोच हातूंत भितर आतां आमचे काँग्रेसीचे लिडर राहुल गांधी आनी वोट्स चोरी हो जो जी मोहीम सुरू केल्या आनी काल तर ताणें हें केलें की ब्राझिलाच्या एका मॉडेलान त्या मॉडेलाचो फोटो वापरून जवळपास 50च्या वयर वोटींग जालें म्हणून. सो हे जर पळयलें आमी एक दोतोर हें करता जेन्ना अशेच आरोप हांगा गोंयांत चर्चील करतालो की आपल्याले वोट्स केले शिफ्ट केले तेन्ना आमी चर्चिलाक हांसताले हो आनी कितें फकाण करता काय म्हणून. पूण आतां ते बाकी सगळेच लिडर त्या लेवलार.
If you look at the allegations made by Rahul Gandhi, it is very clear that there is manipulation of the role.
Okay.
100% clear, no doubt about it. The very fact that the Election Commission is not rebutting, the very fact that the Election Commission is not giving them the voter roll in digital form makes it very clear that the Election Commission has something to hide.
Okay.
The Election Commission has not come out clean on this front. The BJP is defending the Election Commission. काल किरण रिजिजून डिफेंड केलें. Kiran Rijiju is also right in the sense when the electoral roll was published, Congress possibly did not complain. Possibly they did not have the machinery to scrutinize the roll at that time. According to me, Congress party is late in scrutinizing the roll. Now say in Goa, if there is a roll, then the candidate and everybody must know who is there, who is not there. Every person must be checked. And if this was brought out at the time when the election had not taken place, it would have been great. Now all this manipulation is brought out later on, which also means that your machinery failed before the election. And looking at the type of organization the Congress party has, looks like Kiran Rijiju is right. They did not complain earlier. They are complaining now. But the fact remains is that the electoral roll had been manipulated. The fact remains is that the Election Commission is unable to answer.
Okay. पण हाजेर कितें उपाय
No. आता उपाय म्हणजे now in Goa, the roll is being done again. So the opposition parties should be very careful. Their booth level agents must see to it that the electoral roll is clear, unwanted people are not there, and wanted people are there. See, it works both ways. पण असाय तांकां डिलीट करप ना आनी नाका आशिल्ल्यांक रोलार दवरप ना. This is the job of the Election Commission, which the opposition parties must closely scrutinize. I do not know whether the opposition has that kind of machinery to scrutinize the names. I hope they will now become wise after their own leader has told us what has happened in Haryana.
दोतोर आनीक आतां सद्याक आमचे ते स्पेशल ड्रायव्ह स्टार्ट केल्ले आसा रोल चेकिंगाचे.
तेच म्हणटा.
This is तुका कितें दिसता? It is to manipulate or it is to correct?
No. See, the roll has to be neat and clean. The roll has to be pure. Manipulate बिहारा मुडपाक शकताले आमी कित्याक थिंगा टायम नाशिल्लो. आता there is time for us in Goa. We cannot take the same stand as it was in Bihar. So because the opposition parties, the ruling party has enough time to look at who is included and who is excluded.
दोतोर हांवें स्टार्टिंगच म्हणिल्लें तशें आमच्या आतां प्लेन आहा ते आमच्या नॅशनल हें जालें आतां वी आर लँडींग टू गोवा. एक आमचे दिवाळेच्या पयले दिसा पयले राती आम आदमी न्ही आमचे काँग्रेस देन गोवा फॉरवर्ड एंड RG लिडर्स दे केम ऑन द प्लॅटफॉर्म एट फातोर्डा हाताक हात घाले एकठांय येवपाक जाय हें जावपाक जाय सगळें जालें. आनी आतां पयल्या दिसता ताजे फाटल्यान काँग्रेसीचो एक स्टेटमेंट आयला दॅट अलायन्स जावपाक जालें आनी जेन्ना जावपाक जातलें आनी जाय तेन्ना आमी तो डिसिजन घेतलें. एक जालें. सेकेंड आतां परत मनोज परबान काल हें केलां की ताका पोगो आयडियोलॉजी मान्य आसा तांचे बरोबरच आमी अलायन्स करतले. सो हे जर पळयल्यार कितें दिसता गोंयाक पयलीं आपान तर आपण सांगला आमी नाच म्हणून सुरवात आतां तरी. सो कितें दिसता तुका हें जातलें?
चोय जे दिवाळे टायमार जाले फातोर्डा, that had great talking points. It helped the opposition to come together and give a impression to the people, create a narrative that we are together.
So perception.
Yeah, it's a perception they have created. It was a great perception. Now, how much of it is reality, we don't know. But according to me, Goa Forward, Goa Forward, Congress and RGP have at least realized that if they have to dislodge the BJP, they may एकटा येवपा जाय. BJP काडटलो जायत तेंकोडे एकल्या कोडे जायना. This is almost certain according to me. Congress party is admitting that clearly. Goa Forward, of course, is spearheading it. RG has also said it. In fact, RG Manoj Parab has said that he त्या आवयचेर शपथ घेतलो तो फाटी घेता आपण because he wants to dislodge the BJP. That is what he said. If that is so, then all of them have realized that they have to come together if they want to come to power. Up, it looks like, at least when I mean up, I mean the central up. They do not want to come to power. They want to build their party. The local up, many of them wants to come to power. Many of them want to get elected. So some of them want an alliance. Many of them want an alliance. And the central high command having taken a stand, they are unable to deal with it. And when you talk to them personally, you can make that out.
तर एकच म्हजो प्रश्न आशिल्लो की काँग्रेस जे आमचे आप म्हणटा ते गोंयाक आपली पार्टी बिल्डअप करपाक सोदतात काय ते आमचे दिल्लीक काँग्रेसीक लागून आपल्याले सरकार गेले सो हांगा काँग्रेसीक करपाक दिवचे न्ही ही मेंटेलिटी आसा?
वॉट एवर, बोथ, इट कूड बी बोथ. पूण कशी आनी एक पळय तूं, आप इज ऑल्सो टार्गेटिंग द सेम वोटर बेज. So if AAP is targeting the same voter base, then, and if they want to increase, then it is they who will have to take a stand that we are not having an alliance. Our first goal is to build a party. Our goal is not to dislodge the BJP. That is what stand they will take. Of course, they will not tell us that.
पण तो कशें दिसना की सावथाक आमचे काँग्रेसीची बेज आहा, नॉर्थाक ती बेज ना. सो नॉर्थाक भितर आपा खातीर एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा काँग्रेसीचो सपोर्ट घेवन दे कूड स्टार्ट.
बट तूं तो पळयलें जायत, आप इज ऑल्सो टार्गेटिंग द सेम वोटर बेज in Goa and in the country. See, AAP cannot come to power or AAP cannot build its party without destroying the Congress base. If they have to build their party, then they have to do it at the expense of the Congress. They have done it in Punjab.
So गोंयचेच जर हे केले, हाज्या पयलीं आमकां एक उदाहरण आसा, BJP आनी MGP एकठांय जाली आनी निमाणे कडेन MGP शेणली.
But MGP शेणली because BJP was in a mood to expand. And BJP had that kind of energy. BJP had that kind of organization. They were in power. They could use the power to, of course, finish MGP. And they have done it.
Same Aam Aadmi Party गोंयांत करप शक्य आसा काय?
No, because that is not possible. Because they don't have the kind of power which BJP had. They are not in power at the center. If they were in power at the center, maybe they would have done it, or maybe they would have tried to do it. But it is difficult.
सो जर सद्याक गोंयचें जर सिच्युएशन पळयलें, रोखडेच आमच्यो 2 म्हयन्यांनी डिसेंबराक आमचे ZP इलेक्शन आसा. डू यू फील दॅट ZP इज अ सेमी फायनल फॉर हे आमच्या असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाचे सेमी फायनल?
ना, ZP कितें जाता, ZP most of the candidates wants to show their power in the constituencies. So त्यांका MLA जावपाक आशा आसा. So many of them contest ZP elections.
So for them it's a launching pad.
It's a launching pad. But according to me, see, ZP, municipalities and panchayats, the local government normally does not allow the opposition party to have a sway at local bodies polls.
Okay.
They don't allow it because they have the power with them. So they will use all power to defeat them. But if at the local bodies polls, opposition can perform well, if they can come together, it shows a great signal that we can stay together. So it would send a narrative, even if they lose.
Okay.
It will build a narrative towards the assembly elections.
Okay.
But आता ते इश्यू जाल पडे ओ तो सांकवाळ पंचायत and that Methi issue, and RG has taken a stand that our Pogo bill has to be taken up by everybody.
Okay.
I feel if they insist on that, then it may not be possible.
Okay.
They will have to dilute their stand also on the Pogo bill, because such laws आमगे संविधानात बसनाय. पळय, फक्त एक स्टेट आशिल्ली where such a law was there, that is Jammu and Kashmir. 35A मारली तिंगा. 35A काढून उडयली. Because 35A was creating two types of citizens: permanent residents of Jammu and Kashmir and others. And permanent residents कोण? Permanent residents were those who are residing in 1927.
Okay.
त्या काढून उडयले. Supreme Court also said that you cannot create such situations. आता फक्त एकूच स्टेट उरल्या, हिमाचल. थिंगा असले लॉज आसाय. But even those laws are diluted by the government. Purchase of land, purchase of government jobs. हे मुगे भाशेन to restrict to a particular region without any special status may not be possible.
Okay, जर आम्ही आमचे लिबासाबास कन्क्लूड करता आसतना परत हांव 2027च म्हणटा हें करता. सो जर आतांची सिच्युएशन पळयलें in 2027, this so-called coming together by opposition जातले कितें दिसता तुका?
ते अकॉर्डिंग टू मी जातले, बट नॉट नाव. इलेक्शन टायमार जातले, because each one of them will realize that they cannot survive on their own.
जर जायना जाल्यार मागीर जावचें ना.
कितें जालें?
आतां जर जायना जाल्यार
मागीर जावचें ना. So it would be an area of their survival.
Okay. The second question is, Aam Aadmi Party will join this.
मुगे भाशेन लोकल प्रेशर पळोवन ते फायनली जॉइन जातले अशें दिसता. इफ यू लूक एट द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अमित पालेकर, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द पार्टी हैज टेकन अ स्टँड ऑलमोस्ट कॉन्ट्ररी टू द सेंट्रल हाय कमांड. सो इफ यू लूक एट दॅट, इट लुक्स लायक इवन दे विल जॉइन.
नंतर म्हजो आनीक थर्ड क्वेश्चन, आनीक लास्ट क्वेश्चन. जर आम आदमी पार्टी हातूंत भितर जॉइन जाले ना जाल्यार आमचे MLAs like Venzi, Cruz will leave Aam Aadmi Party and join Congress. Is this possibility जावपाक शकता?
हांव तें सांगपाक शकना, बट राधाराव तरी घोळे घोळे तेच म्हणटा. आय डू नॉट नो. अमित पालेकर येतलो तो घोळे घोळे तेच म्हणटा. आय डोंट नो वेदर दे हॅव स्पोकन टू हिम, पूण तो तरी म्हणटा हें.
ओके. सो जर ह्या ताजेर आमी एक ही चर्चा थांबयतात. मेन म्हणटा ते बिहाराक आतां महागठबंधन म्हणटा तो प्रयोग कितलो सक्सेसफूल जातलो, ताजेर फुडले आमचे बाकीचे जे रिजल्ट्स आसात ते येतले. दोतोर म्हणटा तशें जरी BJP ते आडावपाक शकना सरकार करपा परस, तरी आसतना BJPचो आमचे जे सिट्स आसा ते देंवतले. सेम आमचे लोकसभेक जाले. लोकसभेक ओपोजिशनाच्यान जावूंक ना, पूण ड्रास्टिकली देंवयले आनी दॅट गिव्ज सामके पॉझिटिव्ह सिग्नल्स फॉर अदर स्टेट्स ऑल्सो. सो दॅट तेय जावपाक शकता तो म्हटलं. दुसरें म्हणटा तें बिकॉज ऑफ वोट चोरी आनी काका लागून हाजे फुडें जे इलेक्शन जावपाचे आसात ताका जे कोण स्टेट युनिट्स आहात ते मोर विजिलंट. आनीक एक म्हणटा आमी सदां म्हणटा एखाद्या वायटांतल्यान थोडें बरें जाता म्हणून. सो दॅट कूड ऑल्सो बी हॅपन. आनी तिसरें म्हणटात ते तूं म्हणटा तशें की निमाणे कडेन की पार्टी बिल्डअप करून जर पार्टी केन्नाय येवंकूच ना सत्तेक जाल्यार ते पार्टी बिल्डअप करून फायदो काय ना. सो तूं म्हणटा तशें म्हाका दिसता की लास्ट मुमेंटाक निमाणे कडेन कळटलें की आमी म्हणटा पळय बाप्पायना पुडवायना ते जावचें न्ही म्हणून. सो हाजेर आमी चर्चा थांबयतात. कितें जातलें तें म्हणून तूं आनीक 1.5 वर्सान कळपाचें आसा. पूण मेन म्हणटा बिहारा फाटल्यान बिहाराचे इलेक्शनाचे रिजल्ट जातकीर टोटल इंडियेचो सिनारियो कसो जातलो तें आमकां दिसून येतलें. दोतोर देव बरें करूं.
ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू बी हियर.
आनीक आमचे सगळे पळोवपी तांकां देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही.